To remove the riser pipe, the brothers will need to descend more than 40 feet down the possibly unstable 8-foot wide portion of the hole.
Howdy. How's it going? We're going to take care of us, right?
You're in good hands.
What I wanted to hear right there.
You get a little trepidation. Carpenter? Yep. I'm in a suit, wearing a harness, and I'm a human being going down there.
You know, it's a death trap in there of pipes and ropes and ladders and rusty stuff.
There's a certain degree of danger to those things.
Here's the deal. You watch him, one point of contact, one point of direction. Whatever he tells you to do, do. And that's as simple as that.
Okay.
Let's go for a ride.